Hello again, it's me, earthmanbrick, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. It's Stargrave miniatures. This is a great set, this, and the beauty of this is that you get 20 multi-part miniatures for about 20 quid, so it's £1 a miniature, which isn't bad. It's about the price of a Kinder Egg, which is pretty good. And yes, they look very diverse, very cool. Should I read the whole blog here? Scavengers, the last war gave rise to many blah blah blah. Yes, it's for Stargrave. Scavengers, this is the box set for this one. And here's the sprue. Let me just do an over the top view of it, so you can see it all in its full glory, because it does look pretty darn awesome. Now you can see you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 heads on this. You also get multiple pairs of arms, but you only get 5 bodies. So the aim for what I'm going to do here is, with a little bit of extra mojo and whatnot, I'm going to be, these are bases I've made up. Where's the bases that you get in the thing? Let me just open it up and show you. So yes, this is the bases that you get with it. They're just round plain. Nothing wrong with them at all. Perfectly functional. But obviously you won't get enough for however many I'm going to be making, because I'm going to be using every single goddamn bit on these sprues, including all the extra heads and whatnot. So I'll be using these bases that I've made up before. But this is what they look like unpainted. So here they are, just regular guys. This is the 5 that you get on the sprue. Regular. You can make them up any way you want. There's loads of accessories, which is great. Just put them over there. And yes, using milliput, which we've got here, I've just gone and sculpted the rest of the body for these things. As you can see, there's not a whole lot left on this sprue, and I've only used 1 sprue so far. Hello, and we're back. So this is some of the ones that I've made so far, with all the extra arms and heads. And there's a varying degree of quality in these, because I'm not very good at sculpting feet and legs. Not very good at all, but I reckon that by the time I'm done with all these, sculpting all the extra bits and pieces, it won't look entirely crap. But I'm pretty happy with how they're turning out so far. And again, this is just from 1 sprue, and I've not even used half a packet of milliput yet. Speaking of painting them up, I think I should probably get to doing that now. Just give them a healthy lick of paint and see how we get on. So, see you again soon once they're all painted up. And let me add, they'll be painted badly, because I'm not a very good painter. But I'll give it my honest attempt. Bye for now. We're again, and we're back. And this is what's left of the sprue. There's really not a whole lot left on it. We've got some heads there. We've got some unfinished guys here, which, yeah, I definitely need to bulk that out. I'm definitely not finished with this guy. I'm going to be adding a lot more layers of milliput and taking my time, giving him cloaks and things. Just experimenting. And this guy's going to be a big fatty. He's going to be quite paunch, so I'm going to bulk up his arms and his head and things. Not quite sure to what end, but just going to have fun practicing and seeing what I can come up with. But this is the guys that we made up when these guys all have extra. Well, I've sculpted the legs and the bodies, so it's only the arms and the heads that we've used off the kit. And I think they've turned out pretty damn well. The paint job is very mediocre, but I'm happy with it. It's perfectly succinct for what I want. And yes, I was playing around with my neon paints as well, just to see how we got on with those, and yeah, they're quite striking colours. Pretty darn impressed with it. And the beautiful thing about this kit as well is that even though it's for Stargrave, which is a sci-fi game, these guys would all work perfectly well in a post-apocalyptic setting. Certainly no issues there whatsoever. So if you're interested in DM Scotty's Easy D6 new playset, which is called Wasted World, this Stargrave Scavenger set is quite possibly the best plastic kit, especially in terms of value, that you can get. Is this one sprue that's meant to make up 5 models, and this is the 5 regular model guys here. And, I'm pretty darn happy with how these guys have turned out. Solid kit, solid little miniatures. If you're playing Stargrave, Wasted World, or you're going for any other kind of sci-fi game, absolutely banger, as well as post-apocalyptic. That's all I've got for you today. So, thanks again for watching. Good riddance, bugger off, and bye.